Hello everyone, welcome to another video on Character.AI. Now today in this video I will show you how to make a group chat on Character.AI. Now first of all, make sure to subscribe down below for more videos just like this, and let's get started. So as you can see, I already have here a group and basically the group is only with me. But if you want to go and if you want to create make a group chat, you can go here to create. You can go to create a room. From here you can just name the room, for example group chat, like this. And what you want to do is you want to add the character. So if you already created your own character, which I did, I can click here and I can also just add a bunch of different AI robots here basically. And I can also go to the room topic and I can also make sure that the topic is set for the room. For example, I can make sure that we talk about global warming, for example. And then you can just create it here. And that's pretty much it. As you can see, we'll have a group chat here with everyone right here. And everyone, I think everyone will start writing actually, pretty much everyone in the group chat will start writing just like a normal group chat. So that's basically how you will be able to make a group chat in Character.AI. Again, it's very simple. However, yeah, it takes some time to basically go and adjust the group however you want it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and we'll see you in the next video.